Thanks to the Passive House Construction Standard, this house will consume less than $200 a year for all heating and cooling. So whether this house is built in a northern heating climate or a southern cooling climate, it saves a lot of energy. The passive home construction model is designed to hold the heat, hold the air conditioning, thanks to the thermal envelope, the air tightness, the vapor tightness, the water tightness, and the holding is really the most important part. A conventional home, other types of non-passive homes are designed to leak all that energy, save the energy, and it comes with a really affordable operational cost.